Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some humid and warm conditions across the region this morning. And I continue to see that through the morning hours today before we have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon hours. And temperatures will drop quite dramatically once those showers and thunderstorms do roll through. We are currently in the mid 80s, expecting temperatures to drop into the lower 70s to possibly upper to mid 60s by late afternoon today. So it'll be quite a dramatic temperature fall with that cold front moving through, and we'll see a bit of relief from the humidity the next few days. So looking at our current sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 14,400 feet. Winds are out of the southwest throughout the column, slightly stronger than they were yesterday, seeing 27 knots at 1,000 feet, 25 knots at 9,000 feet, and then increasing up to 47 knots out of the southwest at 20 and 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this cold front that's approaching from the west. It'll be moving through for today, and that's going to give us our chances of showers and thunderstorms. We'll have high pressure built in afterwards. It's going to give us lower humidity values and much drier air mass in the region and some tranquil weather for Wednesday and for Thursday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some clouds rolling in from the southwest to the northeast, seeing some showers well north of our area currently, with a bit of some cumulus developing north of our region. And taking a look at our camera shot, you can see some of that cumulus out there, mainly in the mainly in the fair weather variety, but seeing some towering cumulus off to the north and to the west. And taking a look at the radar, you can see a few showers developing north of our region, mainly north of Pocomoke and towards central Delmarva. But we'll see this shower and thunderstorm activity really start to develop once we head towards about noon today, and that'll be our chances of showers and thunderstorms mainly between noon and 4 o'clock this afternoon. And taking a look at the HERM model, this is at noon today, and then 1 and then 2 o'clock. You can see those showers and thunderstorms in the region around 2 o'clock, and then continuing possibly till as late as 5 o'clock this evening or 1700 local. And then all that rainfall should move off the coast fairly quickly thereafter, and we'll just see some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions overnight with a good amount of upper level cirrus cloudiness. I'll move into our European model for the next few days. You can see Tuesday, the cold front moving through, and then for Wednesday, high pressure in control, giving us nice weather. We'll have a weak area low pressure that's going to develop over the outer banks of North Carolina along that frontal boundary that's going to kind of wash out over that region, over the Gulf Stream for Wednesday and the Thursday, while high pressure still resides over the coastal mid-Atlantic. But that's going to give us more of a northeasterly flow and a bit stronger than was expected yesterday, so that will allow us to see some slightly breezy northeasterly winds for Thursday, as well as our sea state being a little bit elevated for Thursday for our possible rock-on mission. And then for Friday, it looks like we'll have that area low pressure kind of move through the region on Friday, or possibly just off our coast. That's going to give us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. The European model doesn't really show that here, but I'm going to keep about a 30% chance of a thunderstorm or a shower on Friday. And we'll see lighter winds on Friday as Bermuda high pressure really starts to take hold of the southeast coast. We'll see a slight chance of a pop-up shower for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, as we'll have humid conditions, warm temperatures, and very summery type weather across the region. So looking at our risk chart today, we'll have that 70% chance of a thunderstorm from noon to 1600 local, and then a slight chance thereafter from 1600 local to 1700 local. We'll see variable cloudiness this morning, mainly in the mid-levels between 11 and 13,000 feet. Then with those thunderstorms moving through, we'll see ceiling starting to lower this afternoon, and we'll see a ceiling down near 1,000 feet by 1600 local this evening. For overnight, we'll see those low clouds move out of the region this evening, and then just seeing some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region. As far as our high today, we'll see temperatures around 86 to 87 degrees this morning, possibly for a high. Already saw 85 this morning, so maybe a degree or two warmer before that cold front moves through, and then we'll see our temperatures drop into the upper 60s to lower 70s for later this afternoon into the evening hours. We'll also see southwesterly winds possibly gusting up to 23 knots this morning, then quickly turning on the northwest once that cold front does move through, and possibly gusting up to 23 knots. As far as our winds, could see some stronger winds with that thunderstorm complex moving through the region that expected to develop. So highlighted orange here for our winds for the 23 knots, as well as that possibility of convective wind gusts across the region. As far as our overnight low, much cooler than we've been have experienced, the last few days, seeing a low tonight of 58 degrees with some northerly winds around 5 to 10 knots. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday, green charts across the board. Wednesday, partly to mostly sunny and pleasant, high of 74 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and comfortable, a low of 56. And for Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and slightly breezy. By afternoon, we'll see a high of 75 degrees. And that green chart across the board. So some really nice conditions for Wednesday and Thursday. So the next 7 days, as we move into Friday or the end of this work week, we'll see a 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm, highs in the lower 80s, much more humid on Friday as compared to Thursday. And we'll see those humid and partly cloudy conditions take control for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Temperatures in the mid 80s for highs, possibly upper 80s once we move into Monday. Overnight lows in the lower 70s. And we'll see very slight chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, looking like those chances should be below 15% at this time. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.